The 6th ranked product is Satechi M.2 Enclosure, USB4 NVMe SSD Pro Enclosure, 40 gigabits per second, up to 16 terabytes, aluminum enclosure with silicone pin, polycarbonate casing, use-up SSD trim for sizes 2280/2260/2242/2230 mm, SSD not included. Review score, 4.2. Review count, 414 ratings. Price, $119.99. Customers praise the hard drive enclosure's speed, hitting 40 gigabits per second speeds on MacBook Pro, and its performance, with one customer noting it loads apps quickly with no issues. They appreciate its build quality, storage capacity as external storage, and ease of installation, with one mentioning no tools are needed to open/close the case. The heat level and size receive mixed feedback, with customers noting it runs warm and is smaller than expected, while connectivity experiences are also mixed with reports of no disconnects. Customers dislike, no info. The 5th ranked product is Ugreen 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe enclosure with aluminum double-sided fin heat dissipation. No noise external SSD case compatible with Thunderbolt 4/3/USB4/3.2/2.0 M1 M2 Pro/Max, SSD not included. Review score, 4.3. Review count, 290 ratings. Price, $69.99. Customers find the hard drive enclosure performs well, runs fast with 4 terabytes WD black drives, and is easy to install. They appreciate its design, build quality, and overall enclosure quality. The heat generation receives mixed feedback, while some praise its excellent cooling, others report it gets hot during heavy work. Customers disagree on whether it works with Mac products. Customers dislike, no info. The 4th ranked product is Acasis 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure with cooling fan, TBU 405 Pro for M1 M2 Pro/Max, compatible with USB4/USB 3.2/3.1/3.0/2.0, M.2 enclosure support 2280/2260/2242/2230, TBU 405 Pro. Review score, 4.4. Review count, 384 ratings. Price, $91.19. Customers find the M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure works well with MacBook Air and Mac Mini, and appreciate its blazing fast performance, with one customer noting a 30-second speed improvement when copying 500 gigabytes of video files. The device is well built, easy to install, and features a very quiet fan. While some customers say it stays cool or barely warm, others report it getting hot, and opinions on value are mixed, with some finding it worth the extra price while others consider it disappointing for the cost. Customers dislike, no info. The 3rd ranked product is Acasis 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure with cooling fan, tool-free installation NVMe enclosure for M1/M2 Pro/Max. Compatible with USB4/3.2/3.1/3.0/2, support 2280/2260/2242/2230 B+mm key. Review score, 4.5. Review count, 144 ratings. Price, $95.99. Customers find the hard drive enclosure's speed fantastic and appreciate its straightforward plug-and-play installation. The quality is good, and the fan is very quiet, with one customer noting it runs very warm during heavy use. While it works well with Apple computers, some customers report connectivity issues. The cooling system receives mixed feedback, with some saying it's a good idea while others find the fan integration ineffective. Customers dislike, no info. The 2 ranked product is Quislab Fanless 40 gigabits per second USB4 Thunderbolt external SSD enclosure with aluminum heat-sink chassis, supports M.2 NVMe SSD up to 8 terabytes, silver, SSD not included. Review score, 4.5. Review count, 216 ratings. Price, $69.99. Customers find the SSD enclosure well made with an aluminum build and appreciate its incredible speed for data transfer and storage. Moreover, the functionality receives positive feedback, particularly after enabling SSD cache, and customers find it easy to install, with one mentioning success with the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD. Additionally, the build quality and value for money receive positive reviews. Customers dislike, however, the heat dissipation receives mixed feedback, with some noting it manages heat well while others mention it gets warm during extended operations. The cable length is criticized for being ridiculously short. The one-ranked product is Asus's 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, tool-free installation, NVMe enclosure for M1/M2/Pro Max, compatible with USB4/3.2/3.1/3.0/2.0, support 2280/2260/2242/2230B plus MMP, TBU 401. Review score, 4.5. Review count, 661 ratings. Price, $79.99. Customers find the SSD enclosure performs well, particularly with MacBook M1 Pro, and appreciate its solid mechanics and ease of installation without tools. The speed is excellent, with one customer testing it with a Samsung 980 Pro 1TB drive. While the heat dissipation receives mixed feedback, with some praising its performance and others noting it gets hot to touch, the cable quality and value for money also get mixed reviews, with some finding it a great value while others consider it expensive. Customers dislike, no info.